Dr. Josh here at Chiropractic Life in Perth. We've got Dr. Dan in for his weekly checkup. We get adjusted every week to make sure we're firing on all cylinders. So we're going to start by checking Dan's leg length, and if you come in a little closer you can see that Dan is slightly shorter on his right leg. I'm going to get Dan to turn his head to the left and then to the right. Okay, and then back to the middle. So it's not balancing out there, so we're going to look to the pelvis first. And it's staying shorter on that right side when we lift the legs. So what we're going to adjust first is the left pelvis, just in the lower back. Can I get you to pop into your right shoulder, please, Dan? So really common area to see restriction or tension in patients with lower back pain, things like sciatica as well, running down the leg. Get Dan to take a deep breath in, and then all the way out. Good. And then back onto your front, please, Dan. So a nice bit of movement through the joint. What we're going to do now is check the leg length to see if that's balanced things out. Okay. So, Dan, can you turn your head to the left? And then to the right. Okay, and then back to the middle. So, the leg length's equal, but when Dan turns his head to the right, that right leg is pulling shorter slightly. So that's just pointed to the neck right up at the top here. So we're going to have a look, see what's going on. Just got some restriction on this right side, so just under the occiput, top of the neck. So we're going to get that adjusted. Bring Dan's head over this way. Check that again. Good. Could you turn your head to the left again, please, Dan? Good, and then to the right. Perfect. And that's done. All clear, all ready to go.